arbitrationagreements.org. Did you know that the world of arbitration is growing at a rapid pace? In fact, studies have shown that 6 out of 10 businesses prefer arbitration over litigation for dispute resolution. Why? It's faster, more cost-effective, and efficient. Now, if you are wondering where to turn to for top-notch arbitration services, look no further. Our association is proud to be the #1 American arbitration association in the USA. That is right. We hold the coveted position at the pinnacle of the arbitration world in this great nation. Our key dedication is to ensuring that parties come to amicable resolutions as quickly and smoothly as possible. Now, we do not just stop at arbitration. Our range of ADR, or alternative dispute resolution programs and services, is expansive. Whether you are looking for mediation, conciliation, or any other ADR method, we are your one-stop solution. So if you are looking to dive deep into the realm of arbitration and ADR, or just seeking resources to better understand this fascinating world, we are here for you. Together, let's make dispute resolution smooth, efficient, and most importantly, amicable. Feel free to visit our website to learn about us. Again, that is arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process ASAP. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you are interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You are paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That is the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.